Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall be discussing the concept of valuation of supply under cost method, where the value of a supply of goods or services or both is not determinable by any of the preceding rules. The value shall be 110% of the cost of production or cost of manufacturing or cost of acquisition of such goods or cost of provision of such services. Example: Nilkamal Limited is manufacturing office chairs and the cost of manufacturing is 4,000 rupees per chair. Similar chair in open market is valued at 4,500 rupees. These chairs are supplied to a furniture showroom at the rate 3,000 rupees and balance in non-monetary consideration. Now, since the open market value is available, 4,500 rupees will be considered for the valuation of supply. However, in case if open market value is not available, the value of supply as per cost method will be followed, which says it has to be 110% of the cost of manufacturing 4,000 rupees. 110% equals 4,400 rupees. Thus GST will be charged on 4,400 rupees in this case. So, that is all for this topic. We hope you have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video, press on subscribe button and click the bell icon. For personalized query, you may reach out to us at info@baglobal.in.